A very good morning, friends. So, in this today video, I will start new session in which you find how to install and run MongoDB. MongoDB is mainly is a type of database which we use as a high deployment level and server level database, which is used for long data stored in database and easily to manipulate. So, on which link you click for the download the MongoDB and which MongoDB is useful for you and us because there are many links available on the Google for downloading the Mongo database. So every link have on their features. So I will show you main important and mandatory, which is mandatory MongoDB for everyone. So which will we show you, and I will also provide a link in the description. On that link you will hit and go on the correct Mongo database. So you simply go on the Google page and simply on the Google, when you reach at the Google page, click on the simply MongoDB community download. So after when you click on the MongoDB community, so here you get the first link, MongoDB community server download. So you click on the first link. After hitting the first link, there may be some network issue, so my net is to be slow. Otherwise, if you have fast connection and fast internet service, then you go directly on that page. So it works slow, but fine. After that, when you click on the uh, that link, you directly uh, reach at this position. So you can here see the, after scrolling down of this page, you see the MongoDB version. This is our current version and platform. Mainly I will make this video for Windows desktop, not for Linux, not for Mac. This is mainly commonly for Windows. So if you want, I will make separate video for you for Linux or for Mac iOS, anything. So you can comment it directly. And by the way, I will provide description in this. After, and I always recommend you, please do not install anything, any software of current version, because there might be some difficulty you are facing. Because I will, it's my personal experience, when I will download the current version, then their terminal not works properly. And we also try to fix this error by copying the path in the environment variable, then also it not work. So I will always recommend you to please go on this drop down and select the one below version of that current version. Means you can select 4, 5, 4.2, 4.4, anything, but I will not recommend you to select 6.03. After when you click on the version, and this is a platform window, and after that this package, and don't need to be edit or modified this things. Only you select the version 5.0 and directly click on the enter. Okay guys, after when you click on the download button, then you see one thing, there is the one side window, there is some downloaded. So I will already have MongoDB, so I will cancel it and we directly go on the system. So when you open this, then you commonly get the one page like this, MongoDB compass. So I think you want to know about what is MongoDB Compass. This is mainly GUI of the MongoDB, from where you can do anything by the fill of GUI filling, and you can directly work with the by hitting the button. Here you can see our local DB, recent localhost, this one, and I will show one thing. Wait, when I click on connect, you see the local host means the port of the MongoDB is 27017. When 27017 is mainly common for everyone, not be different. So this is our local host database of MongoDB, and here you see already admin config local, which is already created. So you cannot be edit anything. If you want any database more, so you directly click on the database name and collection name. So you at the time of creating database, there is a mandatory one collection name is to be given from your side. If you given all things, so like we mm, here we given the database name is student, and after that student we take one table, details. Okay, details of the students. After when we hit creating, there one database should to be created. Like you see that there is a student, and in student one table is created, which we will set collection in the MongoDB. So I will how MongoDB is different from MySQL or PostgreSQL or SQL anything. So if you want some clarity on this video, if you comment on it, I will make separate video for you, and I will tell everything what is MongoDB, how MongoDB works, and what is the mainly command, and how we use MongoDB, and how make connection with MongoDB to others application. That's all. So first of all, we close it, and we directly use the terminal. So we go on the terminal CMD, and we directly enter Mongo. Here it's not work with Mongo. When you press enter, then you say see that there is our fifth version, and I will go on the MongoDB inside MongoDB. After that, there are so many commands uh, uh, in the MongoDB, uh, and I in last I will recommend you to please only use terminal command prompt of MongoDB, because it helpful for you in every all further career stage, and it will be very uh, interesting and funny for you, because when you using terminal you become a getting a superpower. Like we use one thing, show not showing. Normally we enter db. So here you see that say showing our 1 db test, because in the when we down fresh uh, when we download fresh MongoDB, so there we make 1 db name test. So that's so database name test. If we use what we use student, so maybe this work. No, okay, okay. I will find corrected. So there our database should be changed from student to well date test to student. So when we use again DB, then it's so student. So from there so many command in the MongoDB. So by the help of this you can directly use your MongoDB. So thank you for this video seeing. I will request you to please like and subscribe for most upcoming video, and if you want some extra anything, please comment it. I will make video for you. If any single person comment anything, I will make solution of that. Thank you.